started with Webity tutorial. Today, we'll explain how your website works. In this tutorial, we'll cover the topics: introduction to the Webity platform, how your website works, explaining the dashboard, and explaining how the editor works. To start, we'll discuss the introduction to the Webity platform. The first thing you should know is that your website is built on WordPress. WordPress is an open source content management system that allows for website developers to build websites on. Every Webity website is built on WordPress. Your website has been built so that you can edit it with ease via a drag and drop visual editor. Alternatively, you can hire a Webity expert to work on your website for you. Support is available Monday to Friday, 9 AM to 5 PM, Australian Western Standard Time. The next topic we'll discuss is how your website works. Your website pulls information from a data source to display information on the front end. This is what visitors to your website will see. You can access the areas to edit this information from the WordPress dashboard. The front end of your website, which visitors see, is built via a WordPress plugin called Elementor, a drag and drop visual editor. From within Elementor, this is where you'll predominantly make changes to your website and style it to how you like. Creating pages, users, menus, posts, or importing media can all be done from within the WordPress dashboard. The third topic that we'll discuss today is explaining the dashboard. Upon logging into your website's backend, you'll see a welcome page, of which has links to various guides and tutorials on how to use your website. You can also contact Webity support via this page. Within the dashboard, you will see various menu items to the left of the screen. These include posts, media, pages, comments, templates, appearance, menus, users, settings, custom fields, and SEO. Clicking a menu item will show the dashboard for that menu item, which will allow you to perform functions according to that item. For instance, clicking on pages will show you the pages dashboard. This is where you can view all your website's pages and add, edit, or delete pages. You can also view your website by hovering over the top menu bar where the home icon is and clicking View Site. The fourth topic we'll discuss today is explaining how the editor works. As mentioned before, your website uses Elementor Pro to customize content on pages and style to your likings. To access the editor from within the dashboard, navigate to Pages, hover over the page that you'd like to edit, and click Edit with Elementor. This will bring you into the Elementor editor where you can make changes accordingly. Clicking Publish on any changes made in Elementor will show up on the live site. For help on using the editor, please view the Elementor guides and tutorials. You've now been introduced to Webity,